AWS.amazon.com. Are you able to log in? Because when I go there, I get this message. If you look at my screen, there, just go there and then click on sign into console. Get this message.
I got that earlier, but mine is working now for me.
It was working now. Okay.
Yeah. And Manny said he won't be able to make it tonight.
Okay, he's not running today.
Yeah, because I think he has to work or something like that.
Okay, okay. Oh, this website is not working. You see my screen? It just what's going on with this guy? Does it work for you, Kiran?
Yeah, it's working for me.
It's working for you. Oh, okay. Wow. Huh. Kiran, are you in the US as well? Or are you in India?
No, I'm in UK.
Okay. Yeah. So this thing is not working from India really. Okay. Wow. And there's the primary tool here. Kiran, have you been able to do the load balancer labs and the auto scaling labs?
No, I was busy last weekend. I was working, so probably I'll be completing by this week all the excess, whatever you've done.
Okay, 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 okay. How about you, Ibo? Have you done both of these, EBS, ELB, and auto scaling?
No, I haven't been able to do it. I was gonna try and do it tonight.
No, I didn't get it. The voice is choppy. So, were you able to get that done, Ibo?
Oh, sorry, I didn't hear that. You mean the issue I had today?
Well, yeah, that's one part of it. There's another one which is the labs, the ELB labs, elastic load balancing labs, and auto scaling. These are the ones that we did till yesterday. And I was just curious to know if you're able to complete till that point.
No, I wasn't able to complete to that point. I was gonna try and do that tonight once class is over.
Okay, okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Um, but this is just the main thing. I don't know why it's not working. And Ibo, you said it didn't work for you for a couple of minutes and then it worked, right? I think the
Yes,
services or
yes.
something are down.
I got that error and it worked.
No. All right. I really don't know what to do here in this case because Amazon itself is down. Because when I try to do a DNS probe, it's able to query aws.amazon.com, but not console.aws.amazon.com. Let me try with a different network from my phone. Okay, it's not working from a different network as well, even from my phone. Looks like the local DNS. No, it's not even the local DNS. It's Amazon which is down. If I go to Amazon.com for shopping, that works. You go here aws.amazon.com. That works as well. If you go to sign in and take me to console, that doesn't work. So it looks like it's something related with Amazon. Someone should report it to Amazon to fix it. Your DNS issue. So can we use this time to do the labs that have been pending? Would you do the labs? Because you know that without this console, we can't do much, not even theory.
Yeah. Okay, that should work.
Let's go ahead and do the load balancing labs and auto scaling labs. Um, I don't not have any console access at all. And since you have it, it's working for you. Please use this time to do the ELB and the auto scaling lab. That way we make it more productive. Do you agree with me, everyone?
Yeah, that
Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay, okay. And uh, Ibo and Manny has been communicating with me even after the class, which is I really appreciate that. Um, this tells me how much of passion you have in learning. Kiran, I understand that you're occupied with your office and production work, but don't take a step back in contacting me even after the class. Just in case you're doing the labs, you're stuck somewhere, make sure that you take a screenshot and send it to me and say, hey, Anand, I'm stuck here, what to do? Um, and just in case if I'm not able to sort out the issues over email, do not delete that environment. Keep that environment as it is so that when we are in a session like this, you're talking to each other, I can make you the presenter and then we can troubleshoot that together, right?
Yes,
So,
yes, I'm fine.
yeah,
Okay.
I got a quick question. Do you have WhatsApp?
I do, and I'm going to put the number right here in the chat. Yes, the WhatsApp will be much faster as well. Yeah,
Yes.
right. Oh, yeah, please add +91 to that because I'm in India and that's the prefix.
Sorry, but say that one more time.
You just have to add that as a prefix as the country code +91 995 Yeah, you got it right. Put that in the chat again. Good.
Okay, thanks.
Sure. If you can ping me, maybe I can create a forum, a group, like a AWS forum for all six of us and all three or four of us, maybe. Then we can all chat together.
Yeah, that should be perfect.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
All right, thanks.
Thanks. Thanks, Ibu. Thanks, Manny. Thanks, Karen. I'm sorry. This should have worked. I mean, this is a primary tool that will enable me to show certain things on the screen, but looks like it's down. So let's use this time to do the labs. That's all. Um, okay. Thanks, everyone. See you
All right,
tomorrow.
See you.
all right, thanks. Bye, bye, bye.